great man named Alice Cooper once said, "She pushed me down on a burning bed, thought I was in heaven, but instead she turned her head and she softly said, 'I'll bite your face off, little man, I'll bite your face off, you know that I can.'" Hi, I'm Pixie and welcome to this edition of Headbangers Bowl. It is the Easter edition and we have our Japanese friend Kuromi the Rabbit out, and I will be reviewing some of the most popular Easter chocolate and letting you know what's good and what to fill your Easter baskets with. Starting off with the Lint Gold Bunny in Hazelnut. Here he is this cute little bow tie and bell. And don't forget, you can gaslight all your friends and family by walking around ringing the bell. Hey, does anyone hear a bell? No, I don't hear anything. Don't know what you're talking about. So we will be biting his head off today, or at the very least his ears. And don't forget to let me know in the comments if you start at the bottom and save the head for last, or if you bite his head off and save the rest for later. All right, let's get into him. There we go. Oh, isn't he cute there? All right, so I'll just take his ears off. That's good. Good quality chocolate. Not your imitation chocolate there. Hazelnut, cute bunny, tastes like Nutella. I give this 9 out of 10 horns in the air. This is a must-get. Ferrero Eggs. Let's open these guys up. Let's get our scissors out. There we go. Okay, so you do get quite a few in the package. Here's what they look like. They are individually wrapped as well, which is nice. All right, let's open one up here. Here it is. Now let's take a bite. Oh, it's crumbling already. It's got a nice center. That looks pretty good, like a little well of chocolate. That's great. Let's take that bottom half with all the chocolate. Oh, crumbling, breaking. Good. Chocolatey, nice chocolate cream center. Crispy little kind of a wafery layer in the middle. It is quite melty and messy though, so even though it's individually wrapped, maybe not the best to give to kids if you don't want your whole house destroyed, but I would give that a solid 7 out of 10 horns in the air. Let's see what else we have here. Hersheys Cookies and Cream with a cute little chick. Okay, so let's open this up and see how it goes. Oh, it's white chocolate. Okay, so like an actual cookies and cream kind of thing happening here. Here's what it looks like. Let's take a bite. Okay, so that's like your typical cookies and cream taste. That cream is so smooth and so delicious in the middle. Very, very good. I give this one still 7 out of 10 horns in the air. We have Hershey's Easter Chocolate Cream. It's got a little chick with feet on it. Let's open her up, take a bite. That's good. Nice quality chocolate, chocolate cream filling. A little bit overly sweet, but still pretty good. I give that 7 out of 10, horns in the air. Let's mix it up with these Kit Kat eggs. All right, let's get our friend the scissors out. Okay, so there's quite a few individually wrapped and they have that little Kit Kat logo on the wrapper there for you. Okay, let's get that open. These are quite tiny, so let's put the whole thing in. Okay. Tastes like a Kit Kat bar, just in an egg format, a little bit of a crispy layer. Pretty good. 7 out of 10. Horns in the air. We've got the Reeses little chick here. Who doesn't love Reeses? Let's open them up. Has a little Reeses indentation on the chocolate. Okay, let's take a bite. Peanut butter. Just like a Reese's bar. I give that 8 out of 10 horns in the air. Really good. Highly enjoyable. All right, we've got some Eggies here. These are the cookies and cream flavor. Cut those bad boys open. Okay, so they come in a few different colors. It's like blue, yellow, and a pale green. And they seem to have like little speckling. So I know these ones probably all taste the same regardless of the color, so we'll just go with one. Let's pick this blue one. Crunchy. Not getting cookies and cream off of that at all. I'll try the other one just in case. More or less, just a regular Eggie. It doesn't really come through the strong cookies and cream flavor, very mild. 7 out of 10 horns in the air. All right, we got our Kinder Joy with a surprise inside. We all know this is a childhood classic. No matter how old we are, we always love Kinder, that's the thing. So let's open this up. Okay, wow. It's got some weird packaging inside. It's got 2 halves. Oh, so it's like a little white cup with 2 balls inside. Oh, it's cool. It's not the Kinder that I remember, but it's kind of cool. Now it looks like it's actually stuck in there. So I don't know if I'm supposed to take a ball out and then like dip it in this like white thing happening here. Okay. Hazelnut, and I'm not sure what the white is. It tends to peel quite easily. That's a bit weird. Let's see what the other half has in store. Oh, it's a toy. All right, so we have some little pieces here. It's got a head, some feet. I think it's supposed to be a kangaroo. Let's see, let's open the instructions here. All right. You let me know in the comments if this is a magical kangaroo or rabbit. If I have time to build him at some point, I'll put a little picture of him in the video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what your favorite Alice Cooper song is, what your favorite Easter chocolate is. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, stay metal, and I will see you in the next video.